Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. I've got this Porsche Cayenne S 957 4.8 litre naturally aspirated. I'm doing the actual steering rack, but this one here has got PDCC, and PDCC is Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control, means you got the active sway bar. On this one, you have this valve body here. Alright, that's one we do know, and another one you can see just underneath there. See those silver lines there? The silver one there, that's your PDCC system there. But this one here is really, really tight because you gotta get that neck past the actual front diff. And you gotta drop the suspension down here, drop the control arms down, support the front subframe, and drop that bolt down as well. So that's the only way you can get some room to get this power steering rack out. Otherwise you'll be struggling forever. Be careful you don't drop those O-ring there, the green one there. They're vital for the actual job. But this one here is it's leaking pretty bad. Just want to touch it there. See in there? Oil is just coming out when you actually start the car up. So that's the power steering rack from the supplied already, second hand one. I'm just comparing the actual rack. Looks pretty much the same to me. So this is the second hand one. We're just gonna take all the stuff that I don't need off, and then install that one there. The blue one, that's the mark from the wrecking yard. So it looks alright to me. Looks the same, no difference. So, but it's really, really hard to take off because we only got a limited amount of room to do this job. So it's a really one of those jobs that you gotta take your time to do, otherwise you'll break things. So alright, now I'm going to strip that one down and take all the stuff I don't need from this one and then install it, and hopefully it goes properly in. Sometimes you try to plan it, but it doesn't go to plan. Anyway, so if you're wondering what you need to do to take the rack out, so just drop the control arms, because that part there goes up like that and it hits on the actual rack. Drop this one a little bit down, support the front here, and then take that one off. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.